Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss an important topic of biology, that is classification of microorganisms. We will study in detail different methods of microbial classification, their nomenclature, and domain and kingdom systems. Microorganisms are classified into taxonomic categories to facilitate research and communication. What is taxonomy? As most of you are familiar about this, taxonomy is the science of naming, describing, and classifying organisms and includes all plants, animal, and microorganisms of the world. Taxonomy is the science of branch of science which classify different organisms, microorganisms, different organisms into different groups on the basis of their similarities and differences. The group making up the classification heads are called taxa. What are the importance of microorganism classification? As we know that life on Earth is famous for its diversity. Throughout the world, we can find many a million of different forms of life. By learning to recognize certain patterns and classify them into specific groups, biologists are better able to understand the relationship that exists among a variety of living forms that inhabit the planet. So, what is domain? The first, largest, and most inclusive group under which organisms are classified is called domain. There are three domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. The word domain was proposed by microbiologist and physicist Carl Wilson in 1978 and is based on identifying similarities in ribosomal RNA sequence of microorganisms. I hope you are well familiar about the five kingdom system. In old system, the largest group is called a kingdom. There are five major kingdoms have been described. First is prokaryote, which include archaea and bacteria. The second one is protista, which include protozoa and algae. Third is fungi. Fourth is plantae, and fifth is animalia. This is called five kingdom system. A kingdom is further separated into phylum or division, which is further separated into class, which is further divided into order, family, genus, and the smallest group is known as species. So according to Leninian classification of bacteria is given here. You can see study nomenclature of microorganism. Microorganisms are scientifically recognized using a binomial nomenclature used in two words that refer to the genus and species. The name is assigned to microorganism in Latin. Remember that the first letter of the genus name is always capitalized. There is exception that all names except Pharoides are written in italic. So, for example, Gardia lambia, Escherichia coli. Here we can see that it is written in Latin. The first letter of the genus is capitalized. So remember these important points. Now we will study method of microorganism classification. Classification of microorganism has been largely aided by studies of fossil and recently by DNA sequencing. The most widely employed method for classifying microorganisms are morphological characteristic, differential staining, biochemical testing, DNA fingerprinting, polymerase chain reaction, and microarray. These are the modern method of microbial classification. Thank you.